According to National AIDS Control Program, having five strategies. Strategy 1 is intensifying and consolidating the prevention services. Strategy 2, comprehensive care and support treatment provided to HIV and AIDS infected patients, and also expanding the information and education and communication services to society. And also fourth strategy is strengthening institutional capacity. Fifth one is strategic information management system. Strategy 1 is intensifying and consolidating the prevention services. By using this strategy, more than 99% of people are negative with HIV by National AIDS Control Program 4. This plan is covered up to 90% of the high risk group peoples by taking targeted interventions by involvement of NGOs and CBOs. High risk migrants and their spouses, truckers, and our other vulnerable populations are collaborated with departments at state level and district level to prevent the up to 99% of people suffer with HIV. By saturating the quality of HIV prevention services to high risk group peoples and strengthen the needle exchange program, and also strengthen the drug substitution program and providing opioid substitution therapy OST, and also reaching out to male sex strengthen the male sex workers, and reaching transgender danger communities, transgender communities. Sorry, MSM means male sex with men. Male sex with men, and addressing the issue related to coverage and management of rural interventions, and providing quality of services to sexually transmitted infections and respiratory tract infections, and providing strengthened services to maintain the blood transfusion services, and so expand the integrating community teaching techniques like ICTC services. The second strategy is comprehensive care and support and treatment by establishment of additional centers of excellence and upgrading the arterial antiretroviral therapy plus centers, and also it includes antiretroviral treatment, and also second line, and management of peoples with TB in peoples living with HIV, PLHIV, peoples living with HIV, and also positive preventions and facilitating social protection and insurance for peoples living with HIV. In strategy 2, our activities are improvement of antiretroviral centers and LACs and COCs and antiretroviral services, and strengthen and follow up the patients on antiretroviral therapy, and also improve the counseling services for improve the patient lives, and also providing comprehensive care and support services to peoples living with HIV, and also giving guidelines and training for healthcare setting to NRHM. Strength C strategy T means expanding the information, education, and communication services for general populations and high risk group peoples HRG by creating awareness among the general populations, in particularly women and youth peoples, and providing behavioral change communication strategies for high risk group populations and vulnerable groups, and focusing generation of services and reach the vulnerable populations in rural areas, and give information and educated them, and providing services to tribal groups. Strength 4 strengthen the institutional capacities by establishment of national AIDS control programs, and by conducting the programs by planning and management at national and state and district and facility levels, by establishment of various centers, and providing services to by development of governmental and non-governmental institutions, and establishment of various types of centers and institutions at state and central and local levels. Strategy 5 means information management system by generation of systems such as surveillance, program monitoring and research, and also strengthen the system analysis and synthesis, and also emphasis on knowledge translation, an important element of policy making. The key priorities involved in national AIDS control programs are prevention of new infections and prevention of parent to child transmission, mainly focusing on information, education, and communication, and CST and GIPA, and by supporting technical to decentralized centers, and effective use of strategic information plans, and building capacities at national, international, and district and local and facility levels, and also integrating with HIV services, and providing HIV and AIDS activity to by using multimedias, and using other media facilities,